What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning, and welcome to your daily Bitcoin update, the last one of 2022. It's been a good year. I'm a little bit sick today, but that'll be all right. But we'll take a look at Bitcoin. We'll talk about the technicals. Technicals have been quite interesting. Yesterday we were actually quite bullish, and the fundamentals are actually getting a little bit more bullish as well. For like the dollar strength index is finally falling. For the first time in the last 11 days. So that's good. Maybe that can bring us somewhere. Maybe that can bring us some bullish breakouts. We'll talk about that. So let's get right into it. It's obviously today, everyone, it's weekend, right? That volume is still stable is really a wonder, but you can already see the slope is curving down a little bit more. It's weekend, it's New Year, definitely until Monday the volume will decrease and keep decreasing because, as I said, it's already, and there's not going to be a lot of volatility. I expect the big moves to come again early next week, so either Monday or Tuesday. I think Tuesday. But for now, yeah, Bitcoin has actually, as I said, we went down to this level right here, which we expected, down at 16,300. And then what happened is that, as you can see, yesterday we ended with a bearish dollar strength index. This is closed in the weekend, so this is not going to drop down even more. But that gave us some bullish momentum, brought us up to our previous support level at 16,600. Found resistance there. I mean, you can still very clearly see that technically we're in a downtrend, and the market structure is definitely bearish. We still are finding resistance at these EMAs. Those are really the primary sources of technical resistance, at least at this point of time. Now the thing is, though, is that obviously this was fueled by a lot of bearish fundamentals and just bad news in the market. Now obviously, and we talked about this the last few weeks, if this dollar strength index actually will keep falling like this, which we are not sure of. I mean, right now it could still be a double bottom like this. But if this will actually get a bearish breakout, then we will see some more recovery with Bitcoin. We will get up to 16,700 at least, and I even think we can break above that and get towards 16,900 again. The thing is, though, is that I do not think we can easily break above 17,000. The only way in which we could do that is, I think, if really the monetary policy changes, which the earliest we can see some effects of that is the end of January. So overall, I think the very best we can do with Bitcoin in the upcoming days, but also upcoming period, is consolidate. We can consolidate a little bit higher, and maybe if the dollar strength index will actually keep falling and falling, maybe then we could get a bearish breakout. But at this point of time, given the fundamentals that we have, this technical resistance level at 17,000 is way too strong. So I think something like this could happen next week, but only if the dollar strength index keeps falling. Do I expect that? I really don't know. I really don't know. It's the dollar strength index is moving pretty weird right now, and the economic fundamentals are all over the place as well. So what I can say is that in this weekend we will stay in this level here between 16,700 and 16,300. I'm not expecting any bearish drops or bearish breakouts unless we get some very bearish news regarding, I don't know, SBF, FTX, Alameda, something like that. We'll consolidate in this level, probably a little bit less volatile than this, but still. And then, as I said, I do kind of lean towards that the dollar strength index is going to be more bearish. In the end, the market structure is very bearish. So I think somewhere next week we can get a bullish breakout above 16,700 and get some more bullish momentum going. The thing, though, is I'm obligated to tell you this, but the thing is that if the dollar strength index goes up from here and it's a double bottom, then we are going to see some more bearish momentum for Bitcoin, right? So just in general, the price really depends on the economic fundamentals, but then we'll probably see something like this, a consolidation a little bit lower, followed by probably another drop down, but I will definitely be back with more updates once that's a little bit more relevant. So, but for now, that's my take on Bitcoin, kind of for the next period, for next year. But for now, take care. Enjoy, Happy New Year in advance, and bye.